First, we're going to write x and y, negation x and negation y. Negation x, disjunction y. Negation x, conjunction y. Negation x, conjunction y, disjunction, and negation y. Negation x, exclusive negation y. X, negation conditional negation y. Write the given t, f, t, f. Opposite the value of x. Same in the negation x and negation y. We're going to opposite. Negation x and conjunction y is true when both negation x and y are true and it false otherwise. If this is both false, the answer is false. If this is true and false, the answer is true. Then if this is both true, the answer will be true. If this is both false and both true, the answer will be false. And if this is different sign, the answer is true. First, we're going to write the given numbers. For or, if there is a 1, it means the answer is 1. If both are 0, the answer will be 0. And if both are 1, the answer will be 1. For and, if there is a 0, it means the answer is 0. If both are 1, the answer will be 1. For x or, if both are 1 or both are 0, the answer will be 0. But if they are different, the answer will be 1. In binary value conversation, if the given number is 44 and you divided by it 2, the result is 22. If there is no remainder, you write 0 in the remainder and binary value. However, if there is remainder, you write the 1 in the remainder and binary value columns. This is my video project in CCS IT 200.